Mr. Vishwajit, your wife is fine now. She's out of danger.
Thank goodness. Okay, and the baby? Doctor,
I'm sorry. We could not save your baby. Look, you will have to hold yourself together for the sake of the baby's mother. She doesn't know anything. And please, don't tell her right now. She need to recover first, okay? Take care. Okay?
Side, move aside.
Yash! Yash! Sir, what happened to him?
He met with an accident
Where?
in the valley. It was a major accident. The car rammed the truck. That little girl was not very hurt, but his head is severely injured.
He had his wife along with him. Where is she?
We
Where is Neha?
found only the both of them near the car after the accident.
How is that possible? Neha was in the car at that time.
There was no lady along with them. There was road on one side and a valley on the other side. How will we find her?
How is our baby? What did the doctor say? Is our baby fine? Huh? I hope it is fine. But why don't I feel anything? I don't feel anything. Where are Yash and Neha? Did you inform them?
I did inform. Yes.
Once he hears Neha's voice and Pari's voice, then he will start to move. Let them come.
You are breathless, right? You calm down. You calm down, okay? Don't speak too much. You're hurt, right? Don't speak anything now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Calm down.
Pari?
Is it paining here?
No.
Here?
It is paining. Aunt Shefali, how did I end up here? I was sleeping in the car. Did friend bring me here?
Yes. But now that you are here, Doctor Uncle will give you a very good medicine and then you will get better.
Where is friend?
I will tell you. What happened? Pari fell down, right? Friend also fell down while bringing you here.
Is friend hurt?
He is also hurt, dear.
I want to meet him.
Once friend brought you here, the doctor treated you and gave you medicine. Similarly, the doctor is treating the friend. They are dressing his wounds and giving him medicine.
But I want to meet him.
You want to meet him, right? Fine. But on one condition. You should see him only from far away. And don't create any scene there. Look at him from far away and keep quiet. Don't make any noise. Is it okay?
It's fine.
Grandpa.
All right, come.
Friend. How did you get so hurt? Why didn't you pay attention? I will tell mother about you. Mom will shout on you.
Grandpa, did you find out anything about Neha?
The search is on.
Grandpa, it's more than 15 hours. Now I'm starting to feel a little concerned for her. To be frank, for
I
Pari,
have not given up. We will find her.
Papa, you can leave now. I'm here.
All right.
Mr. Chaudhary,
I was waiting for you. Where were you? What happened? Did you find our daughter-in-law?
I'm sorry to say, we searched the whole forest. The whole police force has been looking since yesterday. But they could not find Neha, madam.
What do you mean by that? Where can she go? She will be near the accident spot only, right? You keep your search on, it's your duty.
Yes, sir, but she was not around.
How can a person go missing suddenly?
Yes, sir, but there are wild animals in the
One
forest.
moment.
Maybe.
one moment. What are you saying? Do you have any idea what are you saying? You are giving such reason just because your search operation didn't yield any result? How dare you?
Commissioner Sir, Jagannath Chaudhary here. This standing before me is Inspector Patil. He's telling me that our daughter-in-law is still missing. We spoke yesterday itself. Your search operation is... What do you think about this? She would be near the accident spot itself, right? She should be injured. Please find her out.
We found this from the jungle.
This is mom's bracelet.
It means that Neha is no longer alive.
Friend has gifted this to her on Dashera. How did you get mom's bracelet? She was wearing this while returning. If you have found the bracelet, then does it mean that my mom is back? Why she is not here? Tell me, where is my mom?
Come. Go and lie down.
Listen, no need. I'm very tired of sleeping in the hospital. Shall we sit here for a while?
Sit. Move slowly. Slowly, slowly. Yes. How do you feel now?
It feels good to be back in a house. I feel good. But it seems so silent.
No, I mean that there were too many doctors, nurses, and too many people around, right? So after coming here, you might be feeling it.
No, it's not like that. But it's not just silent here. I feel as if something is wrong. I felt like that yesterday in the hospital too. What is it? Is everything fine? Look here. What happened? Tell me.
Nothing has happened. Everything is fine.
Something has happened for sure. Are you hiding something from me?
You're talking so much. The doctor asked you to take rest, right?
Don't change the topic. I give you the oath of our baby. You are crying? What happened? Hey, why are you crying like that? Come here. Come here. What happened? Yes, what happened? Tell me. I'm feeling scared after looking at you. Tell me, what is it? Tell me. What has happened? What has happened? Are you hiding something from me? Tell me. I'm telling you again that take our baby's oath. Our baby?
Our baby is no longer alive.
What? What are you saying?
He left us.
Why are you speaking nonsense? Yes? Will I listen to anything you say? How many times have I told you not to speak such nonsense? Our baby cannot go anywhere. Our baby is there. You give me your hand. You give me. See? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Our baby is there. It's there, baby. You are there, right? Look, what is your dad saying? You prove it to him that he's a liar.
Mithila,
You-
listen to me.
You, dear, it's your mom speaking.
Mithila,
Hey, hey.
Mithila,
I cannot feel my baby.
Mithila.
Where is my baby? No, my baby.
Hey, calm down.
How did this happen?
Don't cry like this. Huh?
Elder mother.
Pari.
Elder
Pari,
mother, you're here. Do you know where is my mom? She has.
Pari, come dear.
No. Elder mother, is mom along with friend in the hospital because he was hurt in the accident?
Friend is hurt?
Yes, he is not talking at all. He is not opening his eyes too. That's why he didn't even call me. Mom also didn't call me after coming back.
Pari, come, let us go and call mom. Let elder mom rest. Come.
Mithila. When Neha and Yash were informed about our baby, that time they left for home. Their car met with an accident. Yash is in this hospital. And our Neha's gone.
Sir, what is happening to you, sir?
Neha,
What happened to you, sir? Sir?
Neha,
Doctor?
Pari,
Doctor?
Pari. Neha.
I cannot believe the news about Neha even now. Aunt Simi, how's Grandpa doing? Papa is not well. He has suffered a massive shock once he found out about this news. He's not talking to anyone. He has not come out of his room. And he has not yet stopped looking for Neha. How will Yash react when he finds out about it? I'm just clueless about it. I'll tell you something. Please keep this in mind. there is threat still looming above Yash. The doctor has said that the next 48 hours very critical for him. But in any situation, even if he gets better, we should not let him know this. No, I'm telling you that I really don't have the courage. How will I go in front of Yash and how will I speak?
Yash sir has regained consciousness.
Oh my goodness. Yash?